Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G30, of course, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list. For example, with the usage of the dialer, it does not really matter. Just find your contacts, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Maybe leave Timmy and choose this one. So now let's tap on edit contact and tap on this circle. Let me quickly remove the photo. Basically, this is how it will look like if you will enter the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So tap on the circle and now you can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery and simply enter your photos. So let me choose this photo. Okay, and as you can see in this step, we can change the position of the photo. We can zoom it in or out. We can basically change the size of this highlighted square and zoom and out the photo. Basically, thanks to it, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted area is responsible for it. You can rotate the picture, everything up to you. Just position it like you want to and tap on Save Copy. Now let's tap on Save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see the photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.